Hey guys, today we are going to talk briefly about Runit Decks. So, si Runit Decks sells a lot of puzzle pieces, but ang main business nila, I think, is yung talagang pag-produce ng playing cards, and they sell other playing cards as well. So, I think mga 3 to 4 years ago, na-expose ako sa kanila kasi I was looking for playing cards. So, ang intention ko talaga noon is to get yung card ni Peter McKinnon. I'm a big fan of this creator, videographer, photographer. So, they have this. And then after that, nakita ko yung Harry Potter card. So, Slytherin card yung nakuha ko. This is like 3-4 years ago. Actually, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Pero I just want to keep it. I want to learn some card tricks na rin. Wala pang time. So, pag nagka-time, yun gagawin ko. And I also bought the Sagittarius kasi we are, ito yung zodiac ko. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita talaga. If nakikita nyo, nakasil pa siya talaga. So, the first deck talaga na in-unbox ko at binuksan ko siya talaga is yung kanilang sari-sari collaboration with other artists. Designed by Valvi at may isa Yok naman yung design ng cover niya. So, these are artists that we look up to and pina-follow din natin sa mga arts that they produce. So, very interesting kasi nung launch nila sa vinyl on vinyl, ang daming artists yung nagpunta doon. So, talagang inay namin itong uncut sheets. So, ang daming artists na nandito na nag-participate. Tapos, most of them, napasign din namin sa artists who were present that day. Yan sila Distort, sila Quick, sila Rin, nandoon. At marami pang iba, no? If makikita nyo, hindi pa talaga completely napapasign namin to. Pero magkakaroon sila ng isa pang event happening very, very soon na magkakaroon sa Hideaway HQ. So, another signing event. Most of the artists will be there. So, hopefully, makumpleto ko na rin siya. Tapos, ang next exposure ko sa kanila is nung nag-release sila. Actually, nauna yata yung kay Biggs eh. Pero dahil kaibigan natin si Biggs, we were able to get an uncut sheet ni Biggs. Yan. So, really good friend and super supportive nitong kaibigan natin si Boss Biggs. So, Boss Biggs, maraming salamat. Buti meron ka pang uncut and aalagaan natin to. May sign din si Boss Biggs dito yan, no? Yan. Pero itong sari-sari, dun sa upcoming signing event nila, wala nang uncut sheets. Meron pa mga ilang decks na ganito, pero yung uncut nila, wala na. So, ito kasi yung ito pa hindi pa na kakat na baraha. So, very limited din. Usually, mga 20, 30, 40 pieces only available for purchase. So, talaga, nung gabing nilaunch to, sobrang daming tao ang nandun. Marami rin bumili ng mga uncut sheets. And then, recently, launched din si Runit Decks ng collaboration with Creon Chicken. Ang tawag dito ay Chickens and Crowns or Crowns and Chicken. So, depende how you look at it. So, si Sir Jed, sinend to sa atin. Thankful din na nakonsider tayo for this one. Actually, I think this is their deck. I was there nung launch nila actually sa ToyCon. So, a lot of people went. I even joined yung kanilang, ang tawag doon, parang mystery hunt or treasure hunt nila online. So, sayang hindi tayo nanalo ng one-of-one uncut sheet nun. Pero, si Runit Decks sent this over and I just want to show you guys ang tsura nun. 12 hours later. Editor, pakipasok nga si SpongeBob.
12 sleepless hours later.
Ito na. Ito na yung collaboration, no? Crowns and Chicken. Chickens and Crown, makikita mo dito. And then Crowns and Chicken dito. So, ito yung mga villains at ito yung mga heroes ni Creon, no, na ginawa niya. So, very good collab with Runit Decks. At ang ganda rin ng story na ginawa ni Creon dito, which I think most of the fans really appreciated. Sobrang ganda ng illustration though. So, I would like to thank Runit Decks for sending this over. I went to the ToyCon, lined up, and made sure to purchase yung uncut din ni Creon Chicken. So, ito yun. Ito siya. So, if makikita nyo, nandiyan yung kanyang 4 heroes at yung 4 villains. No? Iba-iba rin yung pangalan nila. Ang galing nga eh. May Spuddy. Actually, hindi ko sila memorize as a whole. Yan, makikita nyo ito yung sign ni Creon. At saka yung may drawing pa siya dyan. So, I guess all uncut sheets are one-of-one. Depende if nakapag-sketch. Pero ang ganda nung niraffle nila for the fans and yung mga umattend talaga, yung mga nakapag-purchase. Kasi may nag-sketch pa si Creon dito sa mga iba't ibang pieces with different colors. So, I really appreciate buying this. I'm really happy I was able to get this uncut sheet. I think for this one and yung kay Biggs, baka ipa-frame na natin. Yung isa, yung sa sari-sari, we have yet to have it framed kasi hindi pa nakasign lahat ng artists. So yun, medyo madugo din yun. Parang, ano rin yun, mystery hunt, treasure hunt, whatever. At sa likod, ito siya. Yan. So, pwede rin siyang baligtarin. So, it can be like this. Or it can also be like this. Yan. Ganon din sa mga ibang baraha at uncut sheets din. Ganon din kay Biggs. Baligtaran din siya. Secret Fresh. At yung design din ni Valby. Yan. I think meron ako uncut niya, no? New York. Nasa somewhere. So all I'm sharing with you guys is you guys should watch out for Run It Dex and the stuff that they produce. Kasi really quality, well thought of, at yung mga artists that they collaborate with, hindi siya basta-basta. And these are established ones, yung mga matatagal na, and also up-and-coming ones na makikita nyo dito sa Sari-Sari. I think they're cooking up something dun sa Sari-Sari Part 2 versions. Part 2 versions. Part 2 nilang re-release on this one. Ang daming artists lang that they can easily work with and produce some really nice visual, world-class quality designs and illustrations. Nakakatawa. You guys should check this out. Fan ka man ng baraha o hindi, it's nice to have something like this na Filipino pride in a way, but at the same time, you'd be able to play with it. Buy one, play with it, and then buy one as a collector, or buy one tapos pasayin mo sa mga fellow artists. I'll post more details over the blog and I'll share more info, I guess, socials natin. But for now, that is it. I think napasayin ko to kay Yok eh. Isa lang yung ganito ko na may sign kay Yok. Yan. Somewhere sa baba. If nakikita nyo. Pero hindi siya visible. But that is it. I just want to thank Run It Dex for sending the Crowns and Chickens and Crowns deck. Ay, meron pa pala ako nito. Transition. Run It Dex. Na nakuha ko sa Mocaf group. So thank you Mocaf as well.
So that is it. Make sure you guys check out Run It Dex for more promos, updates, and collaborations moving forward kasi super solid at super quality na kanilang mga nilalabas. Especially with our young and aspiring artists and established ones as well. So top-notch, top quality. Sir Jed, congrats and more power to you guys. Run It Dex, #1. That is it for me. My name is Mike. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.